Okay, this is a stainless steel 4-step retractable, telescoping I should say, ladder by Hoffen. And it has a 600-pound capacity. So we've added it to the front of our boat, and we're gonna just show you some of the measurements and answer some of the questions that we had when we were getting ready to order it. The assembly was pretty simple. It came with bolts, nylon spacers, nylon washers, and it has the arm rails that go up and over. The outside measurement of the handrails is 14.5 inches. The inside is just a little over 12 inches. So it sits on the deck 1 foot from this point to the back. It takes up 1 foot, and the handles are almost 9 inches tall. It also comes with 4 stainless steel machine screws to mount it to the boat. From the boat to the bottom of the ladder, it measures just at 45 inches. But this is what's super cool. The telescoping slides up and over, and this bungee holds it into place. So that bungee, it doesn't come off. It just slips over the bottom of the ladder. It's gonna be super handy. So we've been wanting to add a ladder to the front of our boat for quite some time, so we were super excited when we found this one, and the installation went pretty quick. So if you're looking for a ladder, I would definitely suggest checking out this 4-step telescoping ladder by Hoffen.